Hi, 7th graders. Today is our first Wednesday of the school year in which we'll have advisory and then we'll have an independent work day. Today, your task is to watch some Canvas videos to become familiar with our new learning management system. So what you need to do is you need to go into Canvas and you will see a dashboard. It's going to look a little bit different than this because this is mine, but you're going to click on one of your classes. All of your classes are going to have the same Canvas video, so it doesn't really matter which one you choose. So I'm going to go into advisory. And then I'm going to click on my student view because this is what you as students will see or something similar. What we'd like you to do is you're going to click on the modules button on the left-hand side. And then what you'll notice is there is a Canvas overview and resources. This is what you are going to be working through today. So the first thing you can click on is the Canvas Get Started. As you can see, there are some links to the basics. Those aren't the most important. What we really want you to watch are the videos. So as you can see, there's videos as you scroll down to watch. And this will explain all the really important parts of Canvas. Once you get down to the bottom, you'll see a next button on the bottom right-hand side. That'll take you to the next page, which is helpful hints. Same thing, go through these, calendar overview, files overview. Once you get to that part, you are going to hit next. And then that'll take you to some Canvas additional support. So there are 3 pages that you will have to look through or watch videos from. Once you are done with those 3, you are done with the Canvas assignment for today, but make sure that you're completing any other work that you need to get done for all your other classes. Make it a great day, everybody.